What's up guys, Craig here, Bergie JKU. Today, I'm pretty pumped. I got a Skid Row off-road skid plate. I got the one to cover my gas skid. It's not a replacement, so I don't have to remove the stock skid plate. It's just basically like a cover up. It goes on top to make it more stable. Should be pretty straightforward. I got my instructions. It's like 2 pages, so let's see. Here is the skid plate, and this is a beast. The UPS guy was not very happy with me when I got this, and when I reached out to them, they were like, yeah, that's one of the heavier ones. Not a whole lot of hardware, so it shouldn't take me that long. Got the skid plate, got some of my brackets, got my hardware, got my instructions. Let's roll. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, we're only gonna remove 3 bolts. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts and this bolt. And then the tank is gonna go on top of this, our skid. So it's an 18 millimeter. Alright, I got these 2 mounts on, so now I need to undo this bracket, which is the 6-inch one. So I'll undo that bracket, or that bolt, and then the bracket will go there, and that'll hold that up. So I'm going to need an extension to get to that bad boy. So you can see I got that bracket in there. This is the 6-inch, and I'm just gonna tighten up this one, and then I'll move on to the next bolt. All right guys, so I got the last bracket on. This one has a nut, and it goes in here. So this is the 7-inch. Don't do what I did. I had this one in the middle, and it'll make it work, but it's not right. So this is a 7-inch, and this one, you can kind of see, is the 6-inch, and then I got my last one, and it will have a nut, and I'm almost done. So yeah, so guys, I'm on the last mount in the back, and these are kind of all like the other ones, pretty straightforward. The hardest part is getting this top bolt out. I hit some PB blaster and I can't get my impact in there, so I just gotta muscle it out, and then I'll take this off and do it like the side mount. So yeah, I'll show you in a second. The only thing I really have left is these are for carriage bolts. They're supposed to hook up to the transfer case skid plate from Skid Row that I don't have yet. That's the next one I'm getting. So yeah, I just have the stock one here, but my next one is going to be this transfer plate. So I'm probably just going to throw some carriage bolts in there just to have, so when I do get this, I can easily connect them. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten this back up. That is a wrap. My Skid Row off-road plate. The gas tank is in. It took me maybe an hour and a half, but that was by myself, taking my time, using the jack to lift up the skid plate. But I love the way it came out. I'm glad I didn't have to take off my existing stock skid plate, and you can check it out. Skid Row, but it looks solid. This is beefy. beefy. So anyways, yeah, thanks guys. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff. FergieJKU.com. Go to Skid Offroad. Use Fergie10 as a discount to save some money, but I'll put a link in the description. Later guys.